It's a monster. It's a monster.
What it do, boos? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually carving our jack-o'-lanterns, and I have a very special Simmy surprise for mine, so stay tuned if you want to see it. Chaos! Hey, baby! You gonna carve pumpkins with us? Oh, okay, Nori, you just gonna go upstairs? No, don't go down there! Chaos likes to go escape from me from under the deck. So nice. So some materials you're gonna need are some carving utensils. I got mine from Cub. This one actually comes with some stencils. It's pretty cool. Then you're gonna want some LED tea lights. Those go in the pumpkins when they're done. And then of course you need your pumpkins. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and draw out your design. If you are uncomfortable drawing it freehand, I can go ahead and link this little silhouette that I used in the description so that you can go ahead and print it out and then tape it to your jack-o'-lantern and just go from there. I prefer freehanding. I don't know. I didn't really have time to print this out, so that's what I did. I also freehanded a Plumbob, but the marker actually wiped off after a while, so I ended up redoing it, but that's what it looked like at first, and I'm kind of glad the design didn't work out the way that ended up. This is my pumpkin. Okay, so there's a Plumbob, kind of. It'll look better when I carve it out, hopefully. I hope. Now comes the messy part. Carve out the top of your pumpkin and get rid of all of those disgusting guts. Ugh. Our dog likes pumpkin. Oh my god. He hates fruits and vegetables usually, but pumpkin? Mmm. Now I'm carving out my actual design, so just be very, very careful with the sawing utensils. They can get very dangerous. You can potentially cut yourself, so make sure that you are very careful. When you push your little pumpkin hat out, just be very mindful of that little space between the head and the ponytail. That part was especially difficult for me, so just be mindful of that. Once the head is out, I'm just gonna end up like refining the edges, making them a little better and prettier. They're a little messy right now. There's my Plumbob, so I'm just gonna get that done really fast, and then I think I will be finished. Now with the Plumbob part, all I'm doing is scratching the surface of the pumpkin around the Plumbob, and the only parts that I'm cutting out are the two middle pieces. So you kind of see what I mean when I show you later, but yeah, don't cut out the entire Plumbob, just the two main parts inside. So So there's my pumpkin. We're gonna put some candles in them soon. I just want to show you. That one's mine. And then this is my sister's. It's a unicorn. We're gonna put some candles in these guys when it gets dark, and I'll show you what they look like. So there she is, glowing in all of her glory. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you want to become one of my boos, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all so much. Bye, loves.